What's up everyone? Just want to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this particular tech for my own gold in a store called Biltema, where you can pretty much buy everything related to cars or whatever. So I went ahead and bought this one. It was 50% on sale, so I figured like, hey, why not? Probably you can use it in, I could probably use it in my own vehicle. Anywho, let's go and jump to the unboxing of this particular unit. So right here on the back of the Bluetooth speaker itself, there's an antenna in for FM radio, if you listen to that. USB plug-in, so you can have your music on a USB drive, thumbstick drive, and play it from there. A microphone jack plug-in, or guitar, whatever you want to use, and a volume adjustment for the microphone or guitar, whatever. Made modem for music, and also playing using the Bluetooth, or then there's also another line in as well if you don't want to use the Bluetooth. We got the power cord, a LED adjustment, whatever kind of flashy light you want to have in front of the case itself, and obviously the power switch. The unit itself, as far as I know of, and what it's saying on the box, is that when it's fully charged, which I believe takes about I don't know, probably 10 hours, give or take, or more. Haven't really tested it yet. On a fully charged battery on this unit, it can play up to 6 hours in total, as far as I know. That's pretty much what it says on the box. So yeah, that's pretty much what I know of it. As it is, I will probably go back and do a follow-up review video on it. Who knows? So anyhow guys, this is what I have for now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care everyone.